Incense Boat on Jupiter Ravine. In the dreamscape where reality dissolves into mists of fantasy, there sails an incense boat on Jupiter Ravine. A vessel not of wood nor stone, but of smoke and reverie, navigating through the gaseous torrents of a celestial abyss. This tale is woven from the fabric of the cosmos itself, where the boundaries of existence blur and the impossible becomes a canvas for the imagination. Here, amidst the swirling clouds of Jupiter, where storms rage eternal and mysteries abound, the incense boat glides with an ethereal grace. It is crafted from the essence of dreams, its sails woven from the threads of nebulae, catching the solar winds that dance through the ravine. A fragrance that awakens the soul to the wonders of the universe, each note a symphony of the stars. The captain of this vessel is not a being of flesh and blood, but a spirit of adventure. A wisp of curiosity born from the heart of a distant star. Guided by the pulsing of cosmic currents, the incense boat charts a course through the ravine, its journey an exploration of the unknown, where every eddy and whirlwind holds the secrets of creation. Passengers aboard this vessel are the dreamers, the poets, the seekers of truth who have cast off the shackles of the mundane to embark on a voyage of discovery. They stand at the prow, eyes alight with wonder as they gaze into the depths of Jupiter's heart, where colors swirl in a dance of light and shadow, and the very fabric of reality seems to twist and turn. A path that weaves through the ravine like a ribbon of light. This smoke is more than just a scent. It is a language, a means of communication with the universe itself. It tells tales of ancient galaxies, of stars born and died, of the infinite dance of creation and destruction that plays out across the cosmos. As the boat sails deeper into the ravine, the air grows heavy with the power of creation, the primal force that binds the universe together. Here, amidst the tumult of Jupiter's storms, the passengers find a sense of peace. A realization that in the vastness of the cosmos, their troubles are but whispers on the wind. The incense boat on Jupiter Ravine is a pilgrimage, a quest for understanding in a universe that defies comprehension. We are but passengers on a vessel sailing through the stars, our lives a fleeting moment in the eternal expanse of time. As the incense boat continues its voyage, navigating through the wonders and mysteries of the ravine, it leaves behind a legacy of dreamers inspired, of souls awakened, and of hearts filled with the endless possibilities that lie within the cosmos. In the journey of the incense boat, we find not just adventure, but a journey back to ourselves, a voyage into the heart of the universe, where the essence of our being resides.